Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys the steps to change your WhatsApp background in chat. First of all, tap open WhatsApp. Then you'll be loaded to your chat list of WhatsApp. You'll have to tap on the person you want to change the background with. After you're on the chat with the person you want to change the background with, then you can see a profile icon. Besides the name of the friend, you'll have to tap on that. After tapping, you'll be loaded to your friend's contact info. Then you'll have to scroll down until you see wallpapers and sound. After you see it, tap on it. After tapping, you can see choose a wallpaper option. In the first line, you have to tap on it. You can see various options are listed in this page. The bright, dark and solid colors are the background that WhatsApp has suggested, and the photos below it is the photos of your camera rolls. You can tap on any you want to. I'm tapping on bright for this video. After tapping, you'll be in a page with various lists of background you can choose from. After choosing the one you like, WhatsApp will give you a preview and you'll have to tap on set if you like it. And that's it, you've changed your wallpaper. Go back on your chat list and tap on the chat of the friend you have changed background for and confirm it. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.